Alright guys, just finished the cable management. Looks definitely a little cleaner. Still a little bit of cables. Can't do anything about that because it's not a modular power supply. And it's the Antec True Power. Pretty much the only cable that you're physically going to see is this one. And it's my cable that connects it to the door, the fan to the door. Power cable for the fan, that's at the door. I took out one of my IDE drives, I didn't need it anymore, and plus it went bad, so, you know. Managed to fit all those cables hiding behind the motherboard tray. I have no idea how, but managed to fit it. Moved the hard drives up, one. But as you can see, I got plenty of space. Other than that, there's my 9800 GT. Let's see if I can see it. There we go. Now let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. See if I got everything wired correctly. Looks like I did. That's the Zalman 9700 CPU cooler. 4 gigs of DDR800 memory overclocked to 952. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's kind of really quiet. I got plenty of fans, one there, 2 up there, and then 1 on the side panel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this will improve my airflow. See you guys later.